How to install the Hospeco Clear Automatic Liquid Soap Dispenser 600 milliliters. Take out the mounting plate by pulling downwards from the dispenser. Choose a suitable place to install the dispenser. Do not install on a mirror surface and keep enough space from the sensor. Make 3 drilling marks, then drill 3 mounting holes. Open the battery cap, then insert 4 pieces AA alkaline battery into the battery chamber. Make sure battery is installed at the correct directions. Screw the battery chamber closed. Slide the dispenser down to the mounting plate. Unlock the dispenser and fill it up with Hospeco antibacterial liquid hand soap. Close and lock the dispenser, if necessary. Turn on the dispenser.